In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix suspended TikTok account. Hello everyone, welcome back. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open TikTok on your device. Now, since your account is suspended, you won't be able to sign in to your account. So what you'll need to do is to go to your profile or click on the profile icon as a guest on TikTok. Now, in here, you'll find a burger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon. Now, this will redirect you to this page. And here, click on the settings button. This will redirect you to the settings and privacy page. Scroll down and look for report a problem button. Click on this. Now, once you're in the report a problem page, just go ahead and scroll down and click on the submit a report button, which you'll find at the bottom of the report a problem page. Now this will redirect you into a new page where you can create a feedback. So what you'll need to do in here is to explain that your account is suspended and that you want to unsuspend your account on TikTok. You can provide a screenshot or a video to prove this. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.